Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So today, something that I absolutely adore, and you are going to as well, because it's a treat. And who doesn't like a good, like filling, crispy, indulgent, and easy to make treat? I know you do. So stick with me, and I'll show you how I put it together. Oh, by the way, this is a crispy potato stick that it's to die for, I promise you. So for that, you're going to need only a few very basic and easy to get ingredients probably you already have in the kitchen. You know that's how we roll here on the channel, right? We're going to start by boiling some potatoes. Cut them if they are too big. This way they're going to cook faster. Put them in water with a little bit of salt and cook them until they are completely cooked through. Now drain them, peel them, and wait until they are completely at room temperature. It's even better if they are a little bit colder, okay? We want the starch to be really, how can I say that, kept together, okay? Because there's a second step to it, and this is, trust me, do not do that while they are hot, okay? Wait. Preferably put it in the fridge for like 10 minutes after they have reached room temperature, and then we're going to either pass it through a sieve or we are going to use a potato masher. And to that we're going to add some herbs. I have here fresh parsley. And if you want more of a cheesy vibe, you can add either ground vegan cheese, or even better, simpler, you can add nutritional yeast or nothing whatsoever. Actually, you can add garam masala if you want that Indian tone to it, or you can add a curry or whatever you want, cumin, whatever you want to flavor it up the way you want, because I think that if we add a little bit of a, I don't know, the Oriental or Asian taste to it, it's even better. And now we're going to add cornstarch, salt and pepper, and we're going to mix to incorporate it all. Dust a surface with more cornstarch. We're going to stretch with the help of a rolling pin, making a rectangle. And cut into thin, like 1 centimeter ribbons. Put some oil in a skillet or a pot, heat it up, and then you add the sticks and fry them until they are golden brown. Now, alternative, you can use your air fryer for that. In the air fryer, you have a small environment, so the air circulates faster and in the same temperature, okay? And then the crisps, the sticks are going to get crispy, so you can use your air fryer. I think you have, no, I think I know. You can use that at 185 or 190 for 10 minutes. It depends on your air fryer, you know, because that's my doggy drinking water. Here, that's her. It depends on your air fryer, okay? Some are more potent, more powerful, other ones are less. So you keep opening and see how they're doing over there. They're supposed to get, like in the picture, golden brown. Then you flip them, obviously, so they get golden brown all over, and ready. It's a very easy access to potato, isn't it? Potatoes, carrots. You can add as well ground carrots in it. I mean, add your touch to it. I mean, you're the king of your food and the queen of your food afterwards, aren't you? So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I loved it because, you know, I say that all the time. I only bring you guys the foods and the recipes that I absolutely love and test here. Otherwise, it doesn't matter. It does not matter. If I don't like it and if I think it's, or difficult. If it's difficult, no, I stay away from it. Because I want to make your lives easier, not too complicated, right? And this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please check out my other social medias, Instagram and Facebook over here. Please give this video a thumbs up. Drop me a comment. What would you add to it? Your touch to it. Okay, and recipe over here in the description box under the video, and the printable recipe on my website. And I will see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye bye.